Adding three unlike fractions, you want to make sure you find the LCD and then add them and then check for those terms at the end. So in this case, we have 8, 4, and 16. In this case, the LCD is 16. So we have to convert all of these fractions to sixteenths. So what does that mean? We're going to multiply. 3 over 8 is going to multiply by 2 over 2 because 8 times 2 is 16. The next term, or sorry, the next fraction we have is 1/4. We have to multiply that by 4 over 4 to get sixteenths. And then lastly, 3 sixteenths, cool. That is with the denominator we're looking for. Okay, we're going to do this. 3 times 2 is 6. That's 3/8, now becomes 6 sixteenths. 1/4 times 4 over 4, that's 4 over 16. And then 3 over 16. We have 16 as our mega denominator. I'm going to go ahead and add up all these numerators. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 3 is 13. So we've got 13 over 16. Check to make sure it's lowest terms. This one is, so guess what? That one's done. Next, we've got 2/3 plus 3/5 plus 7/30ths. In this case, the LCD happens to be 30ths, so we're good to go. We're going to do 2/3 times, guess what? Yeah, 10 over 10, because 3 times 10 is 30. Next, we've got the 3/5, got to multiply that by 6 over 6. And 7 over 30 is going to remain with that 30 as the denominator. We're going to go ahead and check these out. 3 times 10 is, actually, we're going to have a mega denominator. Let's do that because we know it's going to be 30. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 6 is 18 for the second fraction. And then 7 is just 7. So we're going to now add everything. 20 plus 18 is 38 plus 7 is 45. We get 45 over 30. Now, we want to check for lowest terms. Both of these are multiples of 15, so they can be divided by 15. That would simplify to 3/2 if improper fractions were cool with your teacher. Always check with your instructor. As a mixed number, that would become 1.5 if your teacher prefers mixed numbers at this point. Last example, 1/7 plus 1/3 plus 1/2. Okay, check the LCD. The LCD in this case is, what is the LCD? The LCD is 42. Oh my goodness, that's a pretty big number. So 1/7 we're going to multiply by 6 over 6. 1/3, plus 1/3 we've got to multiply by 14 over 14. And then 1/2 we've got to multiply by 21 over 21. Oh my gosh. And then this is supposed to be a plus sign here. Sorry, guys. I do make mistakes. I'm definitely a math mortal. This first fraction, that will become then 6 over 42. Actually, let's have a mega denominator. Everything's going to be over 42. 1 times 14 for that second fraction will be 14. And the last fraction, 1 times 21 is 21. So now we have 6 plus 14 plus 21 as the new numerators. So 6 plus 14 is 20, plus 21 is 41. Denominator still 42. Cool thing is that's lowest term, so now we're done with that. Good job, guys.